Brad Lynch from up in Mullewa. So we just do transport, bulk transport with grain, fertiliser, lime sand. We've now gone into liquid fertiliser. So with our bulk transport, we're just mainly around Mullewa, Mininu, Three Springs. The liquid's starting to expand a bit. And yeah, most of our liquid that we transport is out of Geraldton and a little out of Perth. With the trailers, we just had skell trailers. We obviously built the two back trailers first and decided we needed to add an A trailer, get a bit more product on, a few more tonnes. So yeah, we just bought second-hand skell trailers that were just pretty much for the chassis. Then we made all our own frames up and yeah, made the tanks fit and plumbed them up and full sandblast, paint, new tyres, new rims, and pretty much ended up with a new rig out of a couple of older trailers. I went with Coerco because I was going to go with the stainless steel barrels, and the price obviously, plastic tankers compared to a stainless steel barrel. Stainless steel barrel, they do have the chance to crack and that. I know poly can as well, but it's a lot easier to fix. And yeah, a lot cheaper as well if you had to replace one tank than a whole barrel. And being apart as well, instead of just having one big tank, you know, split it up into 13,000 litre tanks. The baffle balls make it ride really good down the road, it doesn't sway around, and yeah, easy to clean, and yeah, just happy with the poly tanks, and yeah, very happy with the Coerco product. Yeah, dealing with Coerco is really good. I've met a couple of blokes in here, talked to them on the phone if they have any dramas or anything, and no, they've been very good. Yeah, you ring them up, they're straight onto it, up and yeah, do what they need to do, and never had a problem with Coerco. We'd be a repeat customer tomorrow, yeah.